Hello guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make flashing text in Premiere Pro. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Premiere Pro. Then you need to select any random video clip. I selected this video clip. Now I'm going to create a flashing text effect. First, you need to create any text. Then I'm going to create a random text going fast. And now I'm making it a little bit smaller. Okay, then I need to make it a little bit bigger so it is more visible. And if you want, this is the right place. Now you need to select the second layer and turn off the first layer. Then you need to create copies. You need to click on Ctrl C and create a copy of that. Ctrl V. You need to create multiple copies. Once you create copies, then I'm going to show you how it will look like. So it is going first. I need to first render the video so it will be more clear. Okay, so you can see that this is the effect that I create in Adobe Premiere Pro in few seconds. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.